How to translate text in Google Sheets. Have you ever had a problem with a table that is not in your language and it made your work difficult? Well, no more. In today's tutorial, we will show you how you can translate text in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open the table you want. Here I have a table in which I have some words that are in the Serbian language. However, what if one of the people does not understand my language? Having a problem? Well, not really. We can translate these fields. To do that, we will type the equal sign and type the function called Google Translate. The next thing you need to do is select the column you want to translate. After that, you will type a comma and under quotation marks the language you are translating from. I will type SR there, and then the language we want to translate to. Under the quotation marks here, type in, or whatever language you want to translate the text into. That's all. Now just expand this to all the fields for which you want translation, and that's it. You will receive the translated text. You found this tutorial helpful? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.